What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We've got this boy right here and just me. Today it's gonna be exciting. We found this. I was on Facebook and part of the photography group, they were like, yo, Harley Davidson is letting us shoot in their like showroom area after they close. And I'm like, yo, this is gonna be dope, let's do it. So I was able to convince my bro here, okay, there's no truck, to go with me because I didn't want to go alone. And it was a lot easier game to go on this than a hike up a mountain. Obviously. I don't think he would have said yes to that.
Probably not.
Yeah. So that's where we're going, and I decided to bring you along because
why not?
Yeah, we'll be photos. They'll have some models there and a lot of motorcycles and a lot of different photographers. So hopefully we can make some connections, get some cool photos, and yeah, it'll be interesting. I'm gonna try, there's gonna do some like rain type stuff, like rain photography in their like washroom. Ooh. Like the models said they would like do some of that. So maybe we could try some of that, maybe? I don't know.
Water photos, something going on.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
But yeah, so I'm bringing you guys along with. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Shout out to Harley Davidson for letting us shoot here and all the models. And yeah, we're gonna just thanks everybody.
Just thanks everybody.
It was a good time. I was kind of nervous at first, but we got some good shots.
Worked out.
Yeah.
At least one or two good ones.
Yeah.
After
all right. But
3 hour shoot, I think it'll work.
Yeah, 3 hours. I mean, I went through an entire SD card and I borrowed one of his, so I think we got something to work with. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.